Meet the Lamborghini Aventador, one of the most iconic supercars ever created. Combining extreme performance, aggressive styling, and advanced engineering, the Aventador represents the true spirit of Lamborghini. The front of the Aventador immediately grabs attention with its sharp, LED headlights, aggressive front splitter, and angular air intakes. Every detail is designed to improve aerodynamics while creating an unmistakable road presence. From the side, the Aventador showcases its low-slung profile and dramatic body lines. Large air intakes feed cooling air to the powerful engine, while lightweight carbon fiber components help maximize performance. One of the Aventador's most famous features is its signature scissor doors. Opening upward in spectacular fashion, they create a dramatic entrance and instantly distinguish the car from ordinary sports cars. Inside the cabin, the Aventador offers a driver-focused environment. Premium leather, carbon fiber trim, and a digital instrument cluster combine luxury with advanced technology, creating a cockpit inspired by fighter jets. The sport bucket seats provide excellent support during high-speed driving. Alcantara upholstery, precision stitching, and premium materials ensure that every journey feels exclusive and luxurious. At the heart of the Aventador lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. Depending on the model, it produces up to 770 horsepower, delivering breathtaking performance and an unforgettable driving experience. The moment the red start button is pressed, the V12 engine roars to life. The deep, powerful exhaust note is one of the most celebrated sounds in the automotive world, instantly exciting every car enthusiast. Performance is where the Aventador truly shines. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 2.8 seconds and reach a top speed of over 350 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest Lamborghinis ever built. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, iconic scissor doors, and legendary V12 power, the Lamborghini Aventador remains a masterpiece of automotive engineering and one of the most desirable supercars ever created.